Welcome back, guys. It is April and I'm here with your Flux local update. I normally do this earlier in the week, but I decided I wanted to do one right for the beginning of April. And also we've run stage 3 of our cohort based training. That's 2.5 hours over that actually of training that we've now done for you on how to launch your local newsletter. So training is going really, really well. If you bought a lifetime deal, you have access to that. If you buy a lifetime deal in the future, you have access to that replay and live. I'll tell you all about that in a second. But yeah, so far in the lifetime deal, this training, they have had 3 sessions, stage 1, 2, and 3. So stage 1 was all about setting up your local newsletter and getting that first issue written. And I showed you how to do that in an hour, which means, you know, that's everything from logo design. We did that with AI. We used a couple of free AI tools we give you in the training to help you come up with a name and the tagline for your newsletter, all that kind of stuff. Then stage 2, what we did was we taught you how to get your first few subscribers so that you can have your newsletter, you know, essentially set up in a few hours and that first issue scheduled, and then you can go out there and get your first few users. That was in total at that point, that's about 1.5 hours of training, 1 hour and 45 minutes of training there. And this is all actionable stuff, guys. This is not high level fluff. This is, you know, click this button, add this over here. We show you everything, how to set it all up. The stage 3 that went out today was about social media. So not just getting your social media set up, but what to write in your bio, what to post as well. And I'll also show you what the lifetime deal users have got as well, because inside Flux Local, if you are a free user, you do not have the carousel maker. But if you are a lifetime deal user, then this is what we were giving people access to. So they're able to take the newsletter that you write in Flux Local, put this into the carousel maker, and it will make the posts for you that you are then going to put onto social media. So you can start getting that. And obviously in stage 1, we made the logo, we made the thumbnail, all of that kind of stuff for your brand. So we're just reusing that to set up the social media as well. So if you're part of the lifetime deal, you're getting a huge amount of value. You've got the playbook, which talks you through 30 different growth and monetization strategies for local newsletters, not just newsletters in general. Local newsletters are different. We give you that. Like I said, you've got the training, you've got the AI tools. There is a welcome email template in there, and every single stage comes with a checklist, which means after you've watched the training, just work your way through the checklist and it just prompts your memory. Oh yeah, they said that in the training. I've got to do that next. I've got to do that next. I've got to do that next. So you're getting all of that, and you can get it for $59. 2.5 hours of training roughly so far. It's probably going to be 3 hours by the end of this. You get Flux Local included in that. You get the playbook. You get the AI tools. You get everything for $59 at Starter, Pro $149, Enterprise $299. It depends what level that you want to buy. So you can still get in on these lifetime deals. What you'll notice is I took down all of those bonuses that we were having because we want people to join live. You're going to get more out of it if you join live. However, if you do secure any of these now, you'll still get access to the Discord, which we're in daily and we can answer your questions. But you won't get access to things live because we've already started the cohort. But if you're the kind of person that's like, well, I'm not going to go to the lives anyway because I've got a 9 to 5, I've got family, whatever, and you're busy, and you're happy with the replays, then you can buy the lifetime deal now. You'll get invited into the Discord group straight away, and you can access the AI tools, the playbook, the live replays, the templates, the checklists. You can get everything and you can work through it at your own pace. So we are going to do a second cohort towards the end of April, but if you don't need it live, you don't want to turn up live with us over sort of the 2.5 weeks that we run it, then you're more than welcome to get in right now. Just know that you are getting access to the replays. This is a good time for me to mention that our lifetime deals, are limited. We're not running them forever. They will run out. We know in our head how many we want to sell. And once we've hit that number, we fully intend to get rid of the lifetime deals and they won't come back. And that means you also won't get the Discord included, you won't get the playbook included, you won't get the trainings included, you won't get the templates, you won't get the checklist. None of that will be included. You will go on to our pricing. Here you can see what our normal prices are. So starter is $25. We've got a bit of a discount at the moment, so the first 12 months is $14 a month. Like I said, if you buy any of these plans, you're not getting any of the bonuses that come with the lifetime deal. And also when the lifetime deals have gone, then you're not going to be able to get any of those bonuses either. They will become their own standalone product. So the course that we're running, you'll have to pay extra for that. The playbook, you'll have to pay extra for that. Okay, it's all going to be extras that you have to pay. So the only time you can get it cheap as this is if you get it as part of the lifetime access. Now, if you take the starter plan at its normal price, okay, 3 months, that's all it takes, $59. By the time you paid for 3 months of starter at the full price, then you paid more than at the lifetime deal. Even at the discount, after 6 months, you are quids in, because $14 a month on that, whereas the starter lifetime deal is $59. So the lifetime deal is there as a big thank you from us, for believing in this tool and what we are doing. So we are just going to give you as much value as we can think of. And like I said, we've got the AI carousels going out to our lifetime deal users as well, because in the stage 3 training, when we talked about social media, we want you to be able to get in and use the carousels and just basically build this business in the shortest amount of time possible. So we are going to have a new live cohort going out at the end of April. But like I said, if you want to get in now at these prices, you absolutely can. You will get access to everything that we have going on. You just won't get it live. You'll only be able to access the replays. I mean, if you joined it today, you'd still be able to attend stage 4 live, because we haven't run that one yet. But stage 1, 2, and 3 are done. And like I said, you can get the replays. So if you want to be 100% live in this, we're looking at the end of April. When I have a definite date, I will let you know. And when I have a definite date, then you'll see all of the information go back. The bonuses go back onto the lifetime deal page here. But like I said, I wanted to take them off because I didn't want people joining halfway through the cohort and going, oh, I wanted to do it all live and it's not live. And like, so we just took them down. But like I said, if you're the kind of person that needs it all via the replay anyway, you can 1000% get in now. Troy will send you an email, you get in and you're away and you can access everything. So yeah, like I said, lifetime users are also getting access to the carousels, which I've shown you. And stage 4 training, that's the last part of the training. That is on monetization. So what are the first points of monetization that you should put into your local newsletter? That's what that training is going to be on. It's going to be next week. It's going to be with Troy because I am actually away, which means next week you're not going to get an update from me because I'm not here to do it. Troy's in charge. If you need him, you can send us an email. And then you can ask him any questions. You can leave a comment here. You can ask and he'll get back to you. Also, inside Flux Local, you've also got here, you can let us know if you've got any issues. So you can report a problem, you can give us feedback, or if the chat status is available, that means Troy's online and you can chat to him directly there. So no update from me on Flux Local because I'm away and I'm taking a little bit of a digital detox and I'm going to enjoy some nice family time. But I will be back the week after with a Flux Local update. I'm probably in the community going to run a Q&A when I get back, just to see how everybody is doing, touch base with everyone, see where we are with producing these local newsletters, see what help people need. And then, like I said, when I get back, so around about the 15th, I reckon, Troy and I will have a chat. We'll talk about what's the best date to start the second live training. You'll see those bonuses go back up on the page for the lifetime deal access around about then. I can make a video and give you a date for when that training will start if you want to attend live. The last thing I want to say actually before I go is we have a new local newsletter breakdown. That's going to start coming out this week. It's on the 5 Insider. You're going to see that video coming out over the next that series, I should say, coming out over the next 3 to 4 weeks. So if you do like the breakdowns, if they are helpful, then we're going to be breaking down the 5 Insider inside that video series. So there'll still be content coming out. There just won't be a Flux local update. So like I said, if you've got any questions, reach out, get in touch, and I'll see you in a couple of weeks.